Okay. So remember, I want to write this in slope-intercept form. The reason that we call this slope-intercept form is because the equation actually literally has the slope and the y-intercept. We should call it slope y-intercept form. Perfectly drawn letters. So this will be y equals mx plus b. B is what we call the y-intercept, and m is the slope. Okay. Whoa. All right. So we know that m is equal to positive 1. We don't know the y-intercept. So what did they give us? They gave us a point. We'll call that point x sub 1, y sub 1. In other words, x sub 1 will equal 2, y sub 1, y sub 1 will equal 5. So then I need to use the point slope form. By the way, if I'm writing this down, you should be writing it down. And that is going to be y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. And then eventually what we'll do is we'll solve and make it look like y equals mx plus b. That's how we solve this. So let's do it. If I say y minus y sub 1 is 5. That's equal to m, which is 1, times the quantity x minus x sub 2, which is 2. Over here I get 1. You got to distribute the 1 through the parentheses, but it doesn't really change anything. So this becomes x minus 2. Over here I have y minus 5. I add 5 to both sides. I get y equals, now this is the interesting part. I saw some people have this wrong. So instead of thinking of it as negative 2 plus 5, couldn't you think of it as 5 minus 2? So if you do it that way, shouldn't that be a positive 3? And that's the answer. Any questions on that?